First of all, the fact that I just pulled this off from completely and totally just stuff in our fridge that we would have thrown away, I immediately win. Immediate winner. Look at this. Feast. Chopped 5 Hungry Kids version. Bunch of leftover stuff. Chicken, panko. Here's my idea. I'm not sure if it's going to work. We've ordered a bunch of Turkish, Persian food, all this kind of stuff. And we have a ton of this like leftover kind of tzatziki style stuff. I have this crazy idea to turn it into chicken cutlets. Let's see what happens. But first, we need wine. That's the first order of chopped business. This had water in it, but I needed wine and we had no more glasses. So gonna repurpose. Okay, now we're ready for chopped. Drink first. All right, I need a spatula. Here's my crazy idea. If I dump all of this in, I'm thinking I will dip the chicken in this and then dip it into the panko and then fry.
Did you take out the olive oil from there, or the olive?
Yeah, I ate it.
Yes, you did.
I don't want to waste, so I ate the olive. Anyway, you can't use the olive in this. Duh.
That's why I'm asking and making sure you took it out.
Don't worry. Quality checked everything.
There's a lot of different tzatziki sauces.
It's fine. It's fine. It's going to meld together in the most beautiful way. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Tzatziki mixed up. See, look, it looks beautiful. We get the oil heating up. Let's see what happens when we do this. This is rice I'm going to heat up later because we had leftover rice too. All right. Chicken in the tzatziki.
Tzatziki.
Whatever. It's not the time. Oof, okay, let's not do that. That's a little much. Okay. And bread. Okay. All right. Not mad at that. Okay, I like it. I think this is going to work great. Next one. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, look at that. Okay. I don't know how many minutes, but I don't know. A couple minutes. We'll figure that out. Yes.
Fine.
This is what I wanted. Stop doubting me. This is going to be amazing. Oh, yes. Okay, another, I don't know, a little bit of time. Okay, these are a little, maybe a scooch crispier than I wanted, but that's okay. That's all right. Overall, these are looking fantastic. Exactly what I wanted. Okay, on the paper or on a napkin so that it touches all the grease. Let's get the next round in. Okay, well they're still hot. I'm just gonna hit them with a little bit of salt. Ooh, carefully flip them. Actually, let me check. Yeah, they're completely cooked. That's great. Okay, let's taste test the one that's, I don't know, called the defect one. It's freaking delicious. It's so good. You try it now.
Yeah.
Told you.
Yeah, it's really good.
Let's use up all this rice that we got with
It's a lot of rice.
takeout dinner that we had.
So just plain rice tonight then?
Hold on. You don't even know what I'm gonna do. Okay, turn on the heat. Need some water. Okay. I need some salt. All right, a couple minutes, and this will be hot, fluffed, and ready to go. Gonna take a little snack break while we wait. All right, my husband recommends butter.
Always butter.
Always butter.
What is it?
All right, let me taste test.
I mean, it's rice.
Oh my god, hot.
It's
Woo!
still on fire.
Okay, wow. It's good though.